Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and do a short about marking pencils. I was organizing my sewing space and I found that I had 10 marking pencils. And I also have marking chalks. The chalks I didn't use in this test, but I brought them all out here and I marked a piece of fabric. They all said water soluble. And so of the 10, only 3 actually came out. So I went ahead and laid each pencil by its mark. So to be fair, this one is very faint. This brand was, I don't know, it just says water soluble. But still, it may be faint, but it's still there. So I included it. The 3 that were good, this one is called Yoke Water Erasable Pencil. And this one is a Singer. It's a blue. All of the blues concerned me, but that one came out. And then this one is Air and Water Soluble Ink. It doesn't have a brand on it. But those 3 all came out, and I couldn't believe there was that many that did not come out. So those will be going in the trash. But this was just to caution you that if you have marking pencils, take a piece of fabric and, mark on it and throw it in with your next load of laundry before you use them on a project that it may end up showing. So just to caution you, I wanted to show you my results, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.